2 of the exam. So we're given a cylinder and with area of 30 inches squared, and we will want to create it so it's a fixed surface and find what the radius x should be. We've had to maximize the volume. Let's first use the equation of a cylinder. A equals 2 pi squared plus 2 pi x h, which would be the height. Then we'll equal that to the 30. So let's rewrite that. Equals 30. And then it's also include the volume. So let's chug that aside for use. So that'd be pi x squared h. Then let's first chug this side. Let's first repeat this one. So okay, so it's minus 2 pi x h to the other side. So that'll be 30. Actually, wait. Let's do the first one instead. Let's do 2 pi squared x to the other side to make it a little more easier on ourselves. For my understanding, 2x. Because we gotta get h by himself. Because, yeah. Then divide 2 pi x. So we have the h by himself. That comes out as 30 minus 2 pi x squared divided by 2 pi squared. Sweet. And then using the velocity, we can velocity. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, using the velocity, we got the square x. Square x. Wait. The h would be there. Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait. Okay, so yeah, using this equation, we could just plug the h right there. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, just plugging that right there. We get to 30 minus 2 pi x squared divided by 2 pi x. So we get this. So let's clean it up a little bit. Let me see. Let's do that. Let's just make it more appealing. Make it more a little understanding. Okay. Then we just cancel out some things. What should we do? Let me move this up. Let's cancel the pi x for these two terms. So we will get this x up here, 30 x squared, and then we just have 2 in the under divided by 2, and then we would just distribute the x, so it'd be 30x minus 2 pi x cubed divided by 2, and that will, I think that's all I can factor without derivation. So it's our first one, first factor. Now just use derivation so to actually get what they're asking for. So dx, ugh, it's a habit, 30x minus 2 pi x divided by 2. That would get us 30 himself. And this will be 6 because power rule. Now stay 2, and we'll keep the negative, the 2, and then let's equal that to 0, so we can solve it. So the 2 just goes away because 0 times 2 is 0 pi x. Then we go to minus 30 minus 30, so that'd be 30 x pi 2 squared divide by 6. That'd be 5 pi squared. Instead of pi 2, that'd be 2x equals 5 pi, and then square root, so we get x by himself. So it'd be positive or negative 5/4. Oh wait, no. No, just pi. So just square root. So positive. Okay, then that should be it. But let me double check if it's the right velocity volume. So we would do that by checking it by derivating again to see if it's lower than prime x, prime f. So it should be pretty simple. Just actually, I should just write this out a little more better. That's so let's derive that again. Dx with, what are you? This one, yes, that one. So 30 minus 6 pi squared divided by 2. Gonna derive that again. It's gonna be just 12 pi x divided by 2. And then that equals to negative pi squared x, which is lower than the original the original dv dx. So you just ignore that because it's lower. X is lower for the second volume. This is a negative. So I think this is our final answer. X equals square root 5 divided by pi. So I think that does it. I want to stop.